A $2.4 billion power move just rocked the sportswear industry. Footlocker, once the king of sneaker culture, has just been swallowed by its bigger, badder cousin, Dick's Sporting Goods. But this isn't just retail drama. This is about dominance. This is about survival. And this is about how two fading giants are merging to fight back against Nike, Amazon, and a shifting economy that's killing old-school retail. Here's what you need to know. On May 15, 2025, Dick's Sporting Goods officially announced it will acquire Footlocker in a massive $2.4 billion deal, that's cash and stock combined. Footlocker shareholders? They're being offered $24 per share, a whopping 90% premium over what their struggling stock was worth just days before. Footlocker stock surged 85% overnight. Investors cheered, briefly. But Dick's stock dropped 14%. Why? Because Wall Street isn't so sure that taking on a fading brand like Footlocker is a smart play, especially at that price. So why did Dick's do it? Simple. Global scale plus sneaker power. Dick's is a U.S. powerhouse, but Footlocker? They've got 2,400 stores across 20 countries. That's instant international expansion. Plus, Footlocker still holds weight in the hype-driven sneaker culture, despite falling behind in the digital game. Together, they'll form a new sportswear giant to compete head-on with Nike as direct-to-consumer push and Amazon as everything-for-everyone model. But what does this mean for the economy? In the short term, consumers could see fewer discounts as the new mega retailer flexes its pricing power. Competition shrinks, which usually means higher margins for the winners and higher prices for the rest of us. In the long term, expect store closures, layoffs, and restructuring as duplicate locations are shut down, but also investments in digital innovation and AI-driven inventory management. This could trigger a wave of retail M&A activity as smaller players scramble to keep up. Will this merger build a retail empire or end in a billion-dollar disaster? Stay tuned as the economy shifts, the giants clash, and the consumer pays the price. Subscribe for more luxury, money, and market drama.